Have you tried the DTF hack? I feel like I've seen it everywhere. Hey y'all, hope you're having the best day, night, weekend, whenever you see this. I hope it's beautiful. We get to try it. Thank you, Cendale. Everything that you see here comes in this kit. 30 sheets, 8.3 by 11.7. It comes with the powder, with the 30 sheets, and even a transfer sheet. I'm going to show you how I had to work my way through, and I think our hack will work for you too. I always do a test print on copy paper. It's just my bit of advice to everybody, okay? My machine communicates with this paper just fine. I have the Epson Echo Tank 2400. I feel like I haven't even touched that bag. This is just a lid from like a 1970s take a dish with you. Baker's rack. Like I said, I don't have the big press. Did this with the easy press, and I think we can do anything we put our minds to. It's a cold peel, and now that I can literally touch it just fine, I'll remove the Teflon. I prefer the Teflon to the sheet they included. That's just me. No burns, no scorches. But I am not going to even kind of touch the peel. Probably for like a half hour, y'all. I'm not kidding. Let it be a cold peel. All of my images are always for personal use. I don't sell or anything. I'm just here to show you you can do it too, and thank you. I hope you like, comment, subscribe. There will be a link in the description, and I have the opportunity to earn a small commission, like my first brand deal. I hope you love this product as much as I do too. I only used Cricut Design Space because it's what I know. It's what I'm comfortable with. Please use any program you are comfortable with. You do not need a Cricut for this. You just need a printer and a heat source. You're blank. And like I said, this is just the way that I came up with. This is Heather's hack for Cendale's DTF Premier product. Only a couple little spots that didn't transfer, but for real, only a couple. 100% cotton. Look at that color. Those random little bits.